Hello everybody, today I'm doing an unboxing of a love story. This is a skincare brand that I found on Instagram that I really can't find any reviews on YouTube for their products or anything. I didn't get everything. I want everything, but I didn't get everything. But I got a couple things and I thought I'd do an unboxing, and then after I've used them for maybe a month, around a month, 3 weeks, I will do a review on how my skin, if it's helped my skin at all. But this is my skin right now, just for a little oh my god. Okay, sorry if I look weird, like my phone fell down. I don't know why. Here's my skin right now. I don't have a lot of issues right now, really. I do use Curology, which I will keep on using with these products as well, because that's something that I just always use, and I've been using for probably like 5 or 6 months now. I think I got it back in November, October, something like that. But that's really helped my skin. This is not an ad, I'm not sponsored or anything. I just it helps me. But yeah, this is my skin right now. I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation right there. But as far as breakouts go, I don't really have any right now. But their stuff just looked so pretty. It's on the same page as Glossier is aesthetically, and it's just beautiful. And I wanted to buy a lot of stuff from them for a while, so I just finally broke down and did it. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I need to find my scissors. Okay, and I'm not wearing my headphones because I could not stand listening to that scratchy noise it was making when it was rubbing against my clothes. So hopefully the audio won't be so crappy. I thought it would be better with headphones, but it wasn't. Okay, oh my, here it is. It's so pretty. Here it is. Oh goodness gracious. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let me show you all what I got. Oh, I love this bubble wrap. Okay, so this the little reusable bag is so cute. This is the Love Potion. Love Potion number 2 Illuminating. It's supposed to help with brightening your skin. I got the satin gel and the tinted one. They have an untinted and a tinted, and I got the tinted one. That right here. Oh my goodness, this is just the cutest. Oh wow, what was that? Oh my god. This is all the other stuff I got, and I got a bigger reusable plastic bag. And some of these things I'm going to be using right now because I only washed my face. I haven't put moisturizer on because I wanted to use some of this stuff because I'm really excited. Next, I got the Boys Tears Clarifying Essence. It's supposed to help, this is what it says on the back. It's supposed to help smooth skin and minimize the appearance of bumps, fine lines, and skin texture. I'm going to be using this one at nighttime to help clarify my skin at night. That's a nighttime one. And then I got the Boy Tears Hydrating Essence, and I'm going to be using this in the morning. And this is supposed to help with, it says helps prep your skin for the rest of your routine while preserving and strengthening its natural moisture barrier. Okay, and yeah, just hydrating because my skin right now is really dry because the weather is ridiculous right now, and I just need something. Nothing is really working for me right now, and that's why like I just kind of broke down and got this stuff, and also because it's really pretty. Okay, next I have the Love Potion #1 hydrating, and this is a hydrating like serum. And then the last thing I have is the Super Fruit Skin Smoothie Moisturizer, and this is just to help with dry skin. It says Superfruit Skin Smooth is an intensely hydrating and smoothing facial moisturizer that revitalizes skin for a glowing, smooth complexion anytime, anywhere. That's what we want. So I have that, and then it also comes with this little spatula for the moisturizer, which is super cute. It's a little heart, and I'm going to set these bags aside. Oh, and it comes with a little like postcard thingy that I will probably put up on my wall because that's super cute. Today I'm going to be using the Boy Tears Hydrating Essence first, then I'm going to be using the Love Potion #2 Illuminating Serum, and then the Fruit Smoothie Moisturizer, or sorry, Super Fruit Skin Smoothie Moisturizer. And then I'm going to be using the Clarifying Essence at night, along with the Love Potion Serum, Hydrating Serum. So, I need cotton rounds for this. And I'm also going to be using this because I really want to try this out. Okay, so I'm back. I've pulled my hair, or like clipped my hair back so it doesn't get in my face. And I'm going to just put the Boy Tears Hydrating Essence on a cotton round and just smooth it out over my face. And it's a really watery essence. It's not thick. Like, it doesn't have, I don't know. It's very watery. So far, it's really nice. I like it. Obviously, I can't give like a total in-depth review because I just got this stuff, but I like how it goes on. It's not burning my face, and that's good, because we don't like irritation. That is bad. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this dry down for maybe like a minute or so, and then I will come back and put the Love Potion Illuminating, or Love Potion #2 Illuminating on. I'm going to be linking everything that I mentioned in this video down below so you all can find it, and it won't be like, it's not an affiliate link, or like I'm not making money from this at all. I just really wanted to do a review on it. Okay, that feels good. Dry skin feels really nice. Oh, I do have mascara on. That's like the only thing I have on other than what I just put on. But other than that, it's just mascara because I didn't want to get on looking like a naked mole rat. So I just put some mascara on before. So now I'm going to be using the Love Potion #2 Illuminating. And let's see what this looks like. Oh, very milky looking. Can y'all see that? It's not gonna focus. Very milky. Let's see. Doesn't really smell bad. And it looked really watery, but it kind of feels a little sticky on the face. I think I'm gonna put some more on as well, because I didn't really put that much in my hands. And usually with like serums like this, I don't put it on my skin, but I do like to like drop it on my skin. Like that. I don't want to put the dropper directly on my skin though, because that's not good. Oh, that's much better. I like applying it like that much better. I'm gonna let that dry down. for a little bit, like 3 minutes or so. That feels nice, good and, absorbed. So now I'm going to use the Superfruit Skin Smoothie, and this is what I was most excited about. And I'm going to use the spatula. Oh, and this is what it looks like. It's really thick, and it really does look like a smoothie. Like, really. And it's like really thick. Like, wow. Dairy Queen Blizzard level thick. There it is. We'll scoop and put it on my hands. That was kind of a lot, but my skin's been really dry lately, so. Oh, I can kind of feel like I kind of felt a little seed, but I don't feel it anymore, so I don't know where it went. But you can see them on my hand, maybe. Like, there's one. But I can't really feel them. I don't know where that one went. But I'm just gonna put it on my face. That went on very nicely. There's a little seed, but I mean, you can just like flick it off if you want. As far as I can tell so far, my skin feels really nice. Oh yeah, the satin gel lip gloss gel, whatever. Just gonna put this on too. Oh, that's so pretty. That's very nice. I like that a lot. I like that a whole lot. Okay, that's really all I have for now. You'll see me back with these products in about a month to review how I think they've done and everything. So yeah, that's all I have for today. I'll link everything that I purchased in the description box down below, and I will also link their Instagram down below as well. But so far, everything that I tried out today, I really liked. The moisturizer, like, oh my god, my skin hasn't felt this moisturized in a really long time. That's it for today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to, subscribe to my channel. And also go and give them A Love Story is the brand, a look on Instagram. And I will also link my Instagram down there as well. I hope you all have a good day, and I will see you all later. Bye bye.